Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you Windows GodMode folder, how you can create it and how you can use it and why we are using GodMode folder in Windows. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. So your Windows PC has a GodMode, but mostly Windows users don't know about this. But before creation of GodMode, let me tell you what is GodMode folder. The Windows GodMode folder is basically a hidden control panel that unlocks all the system settings in one place. Normally in Windows, settings are scattered between control panel, settings app, right-click menus, administrative tools, but when you create a GodMode folder, it puts everything in one single list, like a cheat code menu for Windows. Now, how you can create a GodMode folder? For example, I'm on my screen with Gojo and right-click on it. Then here you will find out new. At the top you will see folder, create a new folder like this. When you create a new folder, right click on this, then click on rename. The text will be in the description down below. Copy that exact text and paste it here and rename this folder. Once you rename this folder, the GodMode folder is created. Open up and all the settings of your system will be in one place. Now why this is important? Access all system settings, over 200 settings in one single place. Quickly change things like displays, keyboard, mouse, sound, Wi-Fi, update storage, etc. Access advanced tools like device manager, text management, event viewer, and super useful for power users like gamers and IT people. Think of it as a Windows master settings mode. That's why it is called GodMode. If you have any question, comment down below. I will reply to every single comment on this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and thanks for watching.